people of the internet, and welcome to my channel. You like that? Our chakras are aligned. And like jump out the window. I don't know. As I was saying before. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to apply lashes. So I'll be showing you guys how to put on these 25mm mink lashes, aka what I like to call them bad bitch lashes. You understand what I'm saying? So without tweezers, because I have some like these little clampy thingies. I also have like normal tweezers. Hold on. I also have like normal tweezers, but like literally no, literally no. That's for like bougie people who are scared to get their hands dirty. We're not scared to get our hands dirty. Let's get up and greasy, shall we? Let's get into it. I got these lashes from the hair store. They're like $5. They're like $4.99, but like for one pair of lashes was $4.99. But the beauty of lashes is this: you can wear them over and over and over again as long as you clean them. Now, do I clean my lashes? Mind your business. All you're gonna need is a pair of big blinks. You feel me? Once again, like I said in my eyebrow video, which I filmed right before this, so don't even be like you're wearing the same shirt. I sure am, because I filmed this video. That's why my eyebrows are done. Let's get into it. So what you want to do? We're gonna take our lash glue. This is Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive, and I'm gonna link it in the description, like where to find it. I got it from Walmart. So we're gonna use it. Ooh, it has aloe in it, and it dries clear. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put it on our eyelid, right on our lash line. Don't worry, like if it looks thick like this, it literally dries clear. I'm putting y'all onto a secret, because I would watch videos over and over and over again, like just different makeup techniques, and people would always put like the lash glue on their eyelids first and then put the eyelash on. I was like in my rebel stage. I was like, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna be different. I'm not like other girls. That's what I was feeling in the moment. Yeah, screw all of that. We're doing something completely different. It's a new day. Today's a new day, but there is no sunshine. So we're gonna take this and we're going to pull our eyelash. We're gonna pull our eye out like this. You see this? And then we're going to gently, let's let it dry. Hold on, totally forgot. I'm jumping the gun here. We're gonna take it right here. And we're just gonna put it on there like that. Now for extra security, we're just gonna take our fingers, thumb, pointer, pinch. We're going to pinch it on here. This is normally where girls would use tweezers, but we don't need tweezers. Who needs tweezers when you have talent? And just like that, we have our blink. Now, let's go into our next lash. Same thing, same method. I'm gonna show you guys how to put on both lashes. So I'm just gonna like reevaluate the steps I just said. You take your glue, you put it right on your lash line. Beautiful, beautiful. I see you, babe. Copying me. Yes, I'm here to teach you. Let us learn together. Here we go, like that. We're gonna take our lash, and then we're going to put it on our face, like so. We're going to pull our eye out like this, and then we're just going to let it magnetically, because it's can you say charismatic?
Can you say magnetic? Just keep going. Charismatic.
If you're, I can't. Period. And there we go. And just like that, we're done. Blink, blink. That can go stunt on everybody. And you know, tell them Anye was the one who showed you how to perfect the lash application. Tell them that I was the one that helped you find your true lash potential. You see what I'm saying here? Blink on them. Blink on them. So I would suggest getting lashes like these that come like these big packs. Plus, if you don't want to spend like $5 on lashes, totally understandable. Get you like these packs of lashes from like AliExpress for like $1 or something, and then start out with those. They're a lot smaller, a lot more easier to apply. English is not my first language today. So there we go. Remember to put lash glue on first. Makes it magnetic. Boom. Hits right on the face. Stiff lash well. Nowhere. Exactly. You're welcome. Now, that wraps up this video. See, look, 2 videos in one night. I'm on a roll here. Now, that wraps up this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That helps me out a lot. Thank you. Also, thank you for making it to the end of this video if you did, because I know a lot of people be clicking out 2 minutes into the video. Rude. I put all this time and effort to make you guys some real wonderful content. And y'all just don't even watch till the end. Rude. Get it together. Right. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That's what I was saying. Don't forget to create your own happiness. And I will see you the next time I decide to embarrass myself in front of the internet. No, I'm just kidding.